Hello friends, today I am sharing these two beautiful flower nail art design inspired by my garden flowers. For the first design, first apply a pink base polish and let it dry completely. And then using a creamish polish, I made a flower towards the side of the nail as shown. I made a simple flower by making a few petals towards one side of the nail only. And as the polish was a little sheer, I reapplied the polish and gave it another layer to darken the petals. Then I used turquoise acrylic color and made a few lines towards one side. And then using a dotting tool, I made a few dots on the lines. When the design was dry, I applied a layer of glossy top coat. And on the cream flower I used a pink rhinestone, and on the branches I used white rhinestones to give it a little bit more bling. This is a very easy nail art and it looks very beautiful, and I hope you like this first design. For the second design, I used the cream polish as the base color, and then I began by making a yellow flower on one side. For this I used yellow polish and a dotting tool and made 5 to 6 petals. Beside this yellow flower, I made another reddish kind of flower. Just make a rough flower shape and give it a little bit of petal shape, and the flower is done. And beside the red flower, I made a bunch of tiny flowers. For this I used a purple color and just made a few elongated dots to denote the bushy flower. I also added a few dots all around and corrected the mistakes which I had done. Next I added white centers to the red flower, and I gave the yellow flower an orange center. Then I further added a metallic blue polish on the purple flowers to give it a more 3D look. And I also added the blue polish all around the dots. I made a few leaves using acrylic color towards the other side of the design. You may also use green nail polish for this. Finally, when the design dries up, I added a layer of glossy top coat, and this easy flower nail art design is done. I hope you enjoyed watching these two flower nail art designs, and thanks for watching.